internet, and yeah, today's the first episode of Watch Dogs that will turn into a series. So let's get into it. As I told you, I already beat the game, but I'm going to start it over just so you guys could see how fun it is to play. So let me just get past this part, and then the graphics, I gotta say guys, are really, really awesome. So okay, so new game. Okay, so let's get into it, guys. So again, guys, there are some parts that I will not be able to show you, but it doesn't matter. Let's just get into this. So you guys want this look. Guys, here we go. Watch Dogs. Also, that girl that you saw right there, guys. She's gonna be later in these episodes, but security camera. Damien.
I just reach out, pluck it from the sky, and it's mine. It's ours. Stay focused. We got a nasty security system. How much we got? 100 grand in 30 seconds. God bless the rich and famous. We are the modern day magicians, siphoning bank accounts out of thin air. Can you hear yourself? Hello. I think someone else is hacking in. Let's take a peek. Let's not. Stick to the plan, Damien. Second you captain, get out. Adventure, my boy. Have faith in your mentor. Something triggered that alarm. Let's find it. I'm almost there. I'm shutting down now. Don't you touch a thing. What the hell is that? We need to abort. We are not done. Help me. Damien, it's over. I'm disconnected.
See you guys in a second.
This guy's hacking days are done.
Ain't the family?
Not a problem.
No. Okay, I'm good. I'm never here for them again.
Okay. This is actually a sad part right here, guys. The main character is Aiden Pierce, and this girl named Lena Pierce. Well, yeah, as you can see, their car. And, yeah, so she's dead. She was born, she died around 6 years old. Watch Dogs. Okay, let's go, guys. let's get into the plan.
Who gave the order?
I spoke to them on the phone. They told me where to find you. That's all I know, man. That's all I know.
Give me a name.
I don't know. A name. Ah!
How's your memory now?
Ah!
Looks like that guy did not have a great day at all.
Maurice won't talk.
Okay,
But I bet he talked to you.
meds.
I can't keep running. I can't do it. The fucking Agent Pierce. I killed his knees. You won't stop, kid.
I need to keep moving.
Yo, Maurice. Yo, what's shaking, motherfucker? Shit.
Where the hell you been?
What?
He's talking to me.
Leave you for 2 minutes.
Give me my bullets.
I tossed them. What? You said you'd kill him otherwise.
I told you to hold on to them, Jordan. Where you been anyway?
I had to make a call. And you get what you need from Maurice? Oh, you're kidding me.
Let's clean this mess up. Stop admiring your work.
Hey, that's cute and all, but I'm disappointed, Pierce. I mean, you failed to spot the nasty inter-gang drama I created here.
I don't like loose ends. Let's get him out of here.
No, too late. Bottom of the 8th. Chicago's ahead. Game's almost over. We are out of time. Nice shot. Come on, you're just a little interested in my phone call.
All right, fine. Tell me about your phone call.
Glad you asked. Okay, we got a bunch of dead bodies, right? We got 40,000 people above us.
Yeah, let's just skip this, guys.
If there's anybody in here, identify yourself.
Let's take out a pistol.
Body here. Definitely a viceroy. Here's the weapon. Gunshot wound.
I got another corpse. Another viceroy.
That's crime, man. Why'd they have to pick the biggest game of the season to pull this shit? Trying to ruin it for everybody? Whoa!
There you guys go. Stealth is the biggest thing in Watch Dogs. Let's get over here. Okay, so the exit.
Nope, quiet here.
We gotta know if the viceroy is VIP. Check him out.
Okay, I'm coming up.
Slow down there, Speedy. Lead you down there. Make sure we don't get any surprises.
All right.
There we go.
He's not moving unless I give him a reason.
Ready, guys?
You, sir.
This is
Yeah, you come here.
bullshit, man. You ain't got no problem, cuz.
We're just talking.
Look, I got my tickets right here.
Let's go,
Don't
yes,
keep your
sir.
head for a
Hey, this is bullshit. Jay didn't do nothing wrong.
Get back now. You're vice was, aren't you?
That ain't illegal, right?
Don't get smart. How did you two afford VIP tickets?
Bet you make more than you do.
Bad boy. Police are about to lock this whole place down. I'm stuck unless we create a major distraction. I want to cut the power and slip past them.
Do we all stay here? I thought you wanted to keep the vigilante out.
Alright, dude.
Everything's connected to the CTO has been serious firewall.
Right now, I need to get out of the stadium. Can you find me the nearest access point?
In the next room. Or you'll need to find someone with security clearance.
Security guard should have access. All these cops, there's gotta be one around.
Hey, you Alan? Yeah, I am. You got an evacuation plan, right? Of course we do. Good, we need to get moving on it. We're not gonna evacuate 40,000 people so we can play cowboys and Indians. But you got an isolated incident in the basement. We can close the basement. I got no problem with that. This whole place is about to fill up with Chicago PD. That's gonna cause a panic. We need to shut the game down and get people out of here safely. Shut it down, eh? I can't make that call. Well, then call somebody who can make that call, please. Okay, hang on. Yeah, give me Barry. Well, tell him to call me ASAP. It's an emergency. So just how bad are things down there? No, we don't know.
Okay, guys, looks like we gotta go down here.
Where are you, Jordy?
What? Gone. I'm allergic to cops. So's Maurice. But don't worry, I left you a present. Friend of a friend deals in pre-owned cars. Got a real beauty waiting for you in the garage across the street. Take it or leave it, and I don't care. Gotta go.
Okay, time to get out here. Hoping you guys are liking Watch Dogs so far. I know I am. Oops.
I needed this bad. Finally got the goddamn trigger, man. Just need to break through. How? Push Marty's hard. Work on this guy, so I need to get inside his head.
Also, you see these hacking things right here? We're gonna start upgrading them a lot. So whenever we start upgrading them, they're gonna really be like really upgraded.
Reaching out.
Nothing from an ATM. Okay guys. Okay guys, so let's see, hacking. Okay guys, so we've upgraded everything, and it looks like we're done. If you guys did like this episode, don't forget to leave a like, and yeah, it was pretty good, but if you guys did like this, please leave a like, and yeah guys, so without further ado, we're gonna end this episode here. Hope you guys like this. We're gonna sleep real quick. Hope you guys like this, and if you did, please leave a like and subscribe. So, I'm gonna watch this, and then I'm gonna end the video.
Okay, you're the boss. We'll go to plan.
There's Lena's grave. So guys, if you guys did like this, please leave a like, and I'll talk to you guys later. Peace.